Yeah, nation people. Watch a trend here when I see I go on the internet. Because I see every day forward out on night the fix. And they might blame Popcaan and Alkaline for the mashing up a sting. And I see a bag of vlogger around with it. And they might act like them don't know where go on. Yo. When you cut the monarchy out, you hear that? The whole of it is a bunch of blood clot show up on it. You don't know where bomb clot go on? Okay, no problem. Make me remind you know. Mr. Satches and Crutches, make me remind you know. Because it look like you don't remember. Yo, the mashing up a blood clots thing, it start from Popcaan Vybz Kartel. You hear that? From Vybz Kartel not do this thing. From Vybz Kartel tell the promoter how much blood clot money he want and him never pay up. And him did owe the man from the previous thing before. You see what I say? Yeah, and the man say when him send man for money, the promoter say bad man not pay that. So the man depart himself from Popcaan thing and I keep him own show up a blood clot asylum. Una go like una forgot the whole of blood clot in a asylum black and outside black and police come mash it up, una forgot. And the world boss take all interview and I make Cliff Williams know say, yo, him ras clots fear for all him own blood clot life. Because the police them not stop terrorize him. And him a hear from other police too. You see what I say? Say any show him keep, I go get mash up. I go get bomb blast by blood clot police. You see what I say? And una go like say, una not bomb clot, remember? The whole of una run out with blood clot every day video. And I go like say some form of blood clot gimmick sting. Yo, when una know say blood clot sting, Popcaan dep on the blood clot stage at work and them give Black Rhino blood clot mic for run up on him. So una and Popcaan fall out. Remember Popcaan take him interview, you know, and make the world know, you know. Say him never disrespect thing yet. Him have respect for Supreme Promotion and them violate him by give man talk a phone for run up on him. You see what I say? So una stop act like una don't know where go on. Me don't know what una Alkaline have. But me not think the time when Alkaline forward and una assess thing and clashing thing between him and Massacre and Gage and Tommy Lee and him not forward. Me don't know if that you not talk about. Yo, Sting, you know, cut the monarchy out, you know. Every day. Cut the monarchy out. Let me tell you something. When I say it don't ever fit your old boy. No give me Sting not there about it. No lollipop thing not in it. You don't have to come and tell no blood clot lie. You see me? And act like you don't want. Hide the blood clot truth. Where go on. You see what I say? And then I forward out and I run in the mouth certain type of way. Like an artist who don't want to bring down. You see what I say? Yo, you don't fake my brother. You see what I say? And the dog stop sniffing vlogger them, you don't fake as fuck. You see what I say? Yeah man. I don't rate the way how no rascal to go by on the thing, you know. You see the way how now deal with things? Eh? And I saw no deal with Popcaan thing, you hear that? No give me thing not that about it. Own up to no blood clot downfall. No joke shit not that about it and stop Popcaan blame artists. Because the honorable blood clot, king of the dancehall, Mr. Vybz Kartel, who never want blood clot pay. And when time the rascal bagger thing start forward down and uno gonna make all them whole amp and Vybz Kartel with them some ridiculous shit. You see what I say? And the artists them I say, oh the blood clot do no. Uno have to pay me now. You see what I say? Because the man them watch and see where blood clot go on. You know nobody go like you feel like you can't hide this blood clot thing. You see what I say? And don't forget, you know. It's simple, you know. Remember, you know, a rascal, Bounty Killer, Ninja Man, who do use the highlights thing, you know. Them time then, and the two of them frowns, you know, my brother. The two of them frowns, you know, but the same thing, you know. Especially evil blood clot ninja man, we have to say them are supreme venture, them supreme promotion, build each other because from blood clot, silly man, forward over blood clot stadium, ninja man a blood clot bring Sting. One night time it's like a ninja man named blood clot Sting. You see what I say? And all them man there are rebel, but blood clot money. You see what I say? Yeah, man. That's clown, man.
Mucho. How you doing, brother? You good?
Yeah, good.
You've been home for so long, I forgot you work here.
I know.
I call you, don't answer.
No, you don't call me.
Yeah, I did?
No.
Yeah,
I'm going to get a fucking soursop tea right here.
I called you.
Yeah, I don't see you on this car. Maybe I'm on the trip. Yeah, nation people, no joke thing, no bumbo clot there in my game. You see what I say? Them man are some blood clot jackstrap sniffer. I'm not lie about it. The whole of now run out with video and I talk about every day. Say, you don't know where the bumbo clot happen. Nobody now have to hear from every day. No old time blood clot story that. We not go like no old time blood clot story that everybody don't know what happen. We not go like a people who want for blood clot remind you know. No cut the monarchy out, you know. I leave the man them name out on a blood clot mouth, you know. And fix things properly with bumbo clot artists, you know. Cause don't matter believe you have some young crapper artists now where I go and good and I feel like when I can come forward out and violate the man them. Fix blood clotting supreme promotion. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. No lollipop thing not in it. I wanna start the blood clot fuckery. You see what I say? No joke shit not dead about it. When the blood clot pay blood clot Vybz cartel. Eh? I wanna know what kind of thing go on. The man come out and rebel about Uni, you know. After that I lock me see the man I get locked up, you know. What the bumbo clot do in the supreme promotion? Eh? Popcaan a work blood clot stage and when them look up in the Nigland performance, an artist a run up on him. Him never pay him for no clash blood clotting. No. So when una and him fall out now and him decide for no go sting. This is how you plan to deal with it every day. You think that clever? You think that smart of you, my brother? What you do? Yeah, but I'm telling you something more. When you bag of games business now go work, you know. I'm telling you something, you know, blogger. When you stop, I don't know what wrong with you look at sniffers, you know, but you act like, you know. If you not run down the blood clot algorithm, PP, plucking in a blood clot, do nothing, you know. I saw no rolling on my brother. On a blood clot algorithm, gluttonous, you know, and greedy, you know, my brother. I saw no moving, it no matter if it's true lie or blood clot, false or not, or it's something where somebody imagine, you know. Uno no blood clot care, don't it? Oh, I don't know. A bunch of blood clot show pony. You see what I say? A bunch of blood clot jackstrap sniffers I go like unafraid to tell every day the bumper ass clot show. A Vybz cartel, violate and bumper clot, lose the ass clot crowd of the blood clot organization of blood clot sting. Everything bumper clot tumble on pound. So don't go like say. Nobody don't know what go on. You better make certain you fix blood clot things from now on. So you can have a good relationship with the artists. Them. Anyway, you know, at the general, the 10-star one. What? Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. 10-star. General. Whoa.